All right, so if you actually took the bridge from the Pavilion, Bukit Bintang Mall, over to the KLCC Convention Center, the first thing that's going to happen is there's going to be an escalator downstairs that comes to the food court, and right next to it is the aquarium, so great place for families. But there's also a shortcut here as well. So if you go through this food court, you can get to a few things. The first thing that you can get to is the Petronas Twin Towers and the KLCC Park. And if you just walk through here, this is the Aquarium Museum, Aquarium, correction. And if you go here to the right, there's going to be some options for you to go upstairs to the KLCC Park and also the Petronas Twin Towers. But if you just keep walking forward here, there is basically a shortcut to get to the Suria KLCC Mall without having to walk outside. And this might be important if it's raining like it is today, where you don't want to be out in the rain. So when you get over here, you see a sign that says pedestrian tunnel to Suria KLCC. So this is basically an underground tunnel for you to walk to get directly to the Suria KLCC Mall without having to walk outside. So this is really convenient, and you don't have to worry about any bad weather. You could just come through here, through this tunnel, and check it out. Very nice and super easy to get through. So they have some nice artwork, photography here, and big wide open spaces, so don't worry, there's plenty of space for you to walk through. And it's a very, very easy, comfortable walk. Now if you do decide to walk outside when it's not raining, then there's the KLCC Park, which is awesome, and also right next to it is the Petronas Twin Towers and the Suria KLCC, the main fountain area, the main center that people go to whenever they want to get in front of the Suria KLCC and also the Petronas Twin Towers. It's a beautiful place, so I highly recommend you go check it out. But if you've already seen it and you just simply want to get from one side to another and to the mall, this is, I think, the easiest way to get there without having to worry about weather conditions. And the great thing is when you get here, you can still go up to the KLCC Park. Left up here would take you up to the KLCC Park, or on the right, you could continue going to the Suria KLCC Mall. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep walking. And there's an escalator up there to the KLCC Park, but we're gonna keep going this way to head over to the mall. And it's pretty amazing how all of this stuff is built. And I just found this by accident. I was just walking around and I happened to see this and went downstairs, went through the tunnel, and yeah. And now I'm making this video for you, if in case you were trying to find another way to get to the mall. And there's a lot more people in this area because it is much closer to the mall. All right, so here we are to the Suria KLCC mall. From one side to another, that took a little over 5 minutes. So very quick and easy walk. And yeah, if you wanted to get here quickly without worrying about any weather conditions, take the underground tunnel and you'll end up right here at Suria KLCC Mall.